Hi guys, this is Alice from StrayCode.net. Today I'm going to show you how to do simple math and the data types involved in Python. I'll be using Python 3.6 with a Spider as my development environment. A good way to learn, I think, is to follow along or try a few examples yourself. If you have not installed Python yet, just check out other videos for Python installation. Python supports two types of numbers, integers and floats. A lot of the math manipulation is very much like what you would do with an online calculator. You can do 2 plus 3 and enter, and you will get 5. You can also do subtraction, 5 minus 4, enter, and you will have 1. Good. You can also do multiplication using the asterisk sign. Enter, and you get 20. That's good. And for division, you can use the /. To get an exponential sign in Python, you can use 2 asterisks. So for example, I can do 5 to the 4th power, and that would be 625. Good. Calculators, you can use 2 // for division without a remainder. For example, you can do 7 2 // 3, and that would be 2. Good. You can also do you can also use the percentage sign to get the remainder. For example, I can do 7 percentage sign 3, and I will get 1. So 7 divided by 3 equals to 2 with a remainder of 1. To check the type of a variable, use the function type. So you can use type. Initiate the function by using open parenthesis, and let's put number 3 in there and close parenthesis, and this will tell you that 3 is integer type. You can also do type open parenthesis 7 divided by 3 close parenthesis, enter, and you get a type of float. Next, we are going to use equal sign to assign a value to a variable. For example, you can set x equal to 3 by typing x equal to 3. And you can also set y equal to 2 by typing y equals to 2. Okay, and now you can do x plus y, and there will be 3 plus 2, which is 5. Good. To check the value of any variable, you can type in the variable name and press enter. Right here, I can do x, enter, and tell me it's 3. Same way, I can just put y, enter, and it is 2. Now you can also set another variable, z, equal to x plus y. Okay, so z, we can check the value of z. It's actually 5. Something to always remember is that Python interprets your code line by line. That said, if you want to change the value of y to 100, then x plus y should become 103. So x is 3, y is now 100. Z should be 103. However, z will stay as 5. The reason of that is you'll have define x, define y earlier in the code, and you have defined z. So z is 5. After you have redefined y, z has not been redefined. So if you want to get the updated value, you can reassign the variable's value. In our case, we can reassign z to be x plus y again. This time, the y is 100. Now, if we check the value of z, we get 103. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, or leave any comment below. Next video, we are going to talk more about data types and work with string.